the world is changing faster than ever before. The basic fundamentals of work and the economy are undergoing a revolution. The drilling business needs to adapt to this new industry standard. With over 50 years of experience in developing drill rigs, Sandvik is at the forefront of bringing new high-technology solutions into the market. New Ranger pushes boundaries with several new superior features for improving the drilling process. A drilling plan is created with Driller's Office software. Data is stored in the Sanremo platform and transferred wirelessly to the machine. The wirelessly imported drilling pattern is ready for use and the drill can be trammed into position. Everything is now settled for the first hole. Automatic features allow the operator to perform more drilling per engine hour. It also helps the operator perform additional tasks or allows him to have a short break while the automatic drilling is on. The drilling is automated with the iTalk drilling system. The drilling parameters are easily controlled from drilling recipes. Hole-to-hole navigation automatics takes care of choosing the next hole from the drilling pattern, and the machine performs the movement and aligning automatically. Adding the rod is automated with the one-hole automation option. After finishing the hole, the system can also uncouple and take the rods off. The system collects all drilling data, and the operator can make notes with the Driller's Notes option. A set of Sandvik RD920 series rock drills for different rock tools and hole sizes covers practically all needs and will improve your drilling power, increase your productivity and reduce your costs. Ranger DXi is the most balanced and capable drilling machine ever. A revolving superstructure of 290 degrees enables large drilling coverage of 55 square meters. The rotating structure always keeps the counterweight on the opposite side of the boom. The machine is equipped with high tramming power and a low center of gravity, providing excellent mobility. Full remote control gives security for operating the machine in challenging conditions. The new iCab has been designed to improve operator comfort and minimize noise levels. Easy-to-use joysticks and control panels help the operator stay focused and be productive from day to day. Excellent performance, process optimization, low maintenance and operating costs take productivity to another level. Face the future with Ranger DX900i.